Oh yeah, ooh, wow. He's big, he's big, he's a lot bigger. Hey everyone, welcome back to Baum Grillin'z. On this episode, we're heading to the lake to catch ourselves a big old fat trout, and then we're gonna cook him up on the grill. So sit back and relax and join me on this adventure. Hey, do you guys know where I can get an application for the cattle guard? I think I could do it. I mean, that doesn't sound like too hard of a job. You just gotta guard cows all day, right?
Hey, I need to get through here. Can somebody move? Thanks, buddy. Oh, that's fantastic. All right, carry on.
All right, we made it to the trailhead. Now I'm gonna have to bike in a little bit to get to this lake, so let's do that. Now, I've never been out here before, so I don't know what this is gonna be like. I know that there's a bunch of ticks and mosquitoes. Also, there's some poison oak somewhere along the shore. So we gotta make sure we watch out for that. Here we are at the lake. Now, the water is down there. And I don't know how to get down there yet. We gotta find a trail. All right, I found the trailhead. We're slowly getting down there. Now I'm gonna leave my bike here. Hopefully nobody will come and get it. We'll park her right there. All right, we're getting close. I still gotta pull that thing up that hill, man. Whew, I'm already tired. We have made it down here. Yes, look at this. It was a pain to get down here, that's for sure, but now that I can take my stuff off, I'm gonna be one happy camper. We're gonna try for trout, but we might end up catching some bass too. All right, we made it to the water. Let's catch ourselves a trout. Okay, we're starting off with this. We're gonna see how that works. Test it out, see what happens. I'm not sure what's in this water, so we're gonna work it quick. Got one. We got one, guys. Wait a minute. Never mind, I'm just snagged. Dang it! Oh, crap. All right, guys, I gotta stop messing around. We gonna catch fish. We're on. We got one, guys, we got one. Oh no, come on, come on. Keep it in here, keep it in here, keep it in here. We got one, we got one. Oh, come here. Got him! We got him, guys! Yes! We've got a fish. There we go, guys. We got our trout. Decent size. Let's catch another one. Maybe we can catch something a little bit bigger. All right, there we go. Got her set. Let's catch another one. Here we go, here we go, we go. We got one. Got another one, guys. Got another one. Hopefully it's bigger. Feels like I hooked it pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's got some fight to him. Oh yeah, he's big, he's big, he's a lot bigger. Gotta play him good. Oh, he's good, he's a good size. He's a good size. Oh, I gotta get him. This is what I was waiting for. Trying to pull him around, guys, trying to pull him around. He's a big one. Let's go, yeah! Woo! Yes! That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at that fish, guys, right there. That's what we came here for. Oh yeah, yes. All right, there you go. Yes. We got one good one here and we got a panner right here, a little pan size. All right, there we go. Successful day of fishing. Now let's get this guy on the grill. All right, we're back at the Cowboy Kitchen. I took a shower, changed my clothes, took a nap, and ready to go. All right, we got that trout on ice. We're gonna pull it out and get it all prepped up and ready for that cedar plank. Whew, all right. There she is. Look at that thing. That's a pretty good size. Man, and a chunker. Look at all that meat. All right, let's get to chopping it up. All right, I got them all prepped. Now, I am not a pro at this, so I'm going to tell you right now, this is kind of one of the first times I've ever done this. So if you guys have any tips for me on how to do this, please let me know in the comments down below. All right, well, there it is though. Take a look. They're not perfect by no means at all. Okay, so I've already set up my grill. Now I set it all up on indirect cook. And we're up to around 300 degrees right now. Okay, now that the fish is all prepped, we're gonna set it aside. And we're gonna chop up some of our other ingredients. Whoa! Okay, so we've got some lemon and we've got some dill. So that's what we're gonna use on this here fish. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our cedar board. Now that thing has been soaking for about 1 to 2 hours. You wanna make sure you do that because you do not want that thing to start on fire. So we're gonna get our trout on top of there and then we'll put the rest of our seasonings on it. Okay, cool. This is gonna be good. We'll grab this here fillet. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with some salt. Now I've got this crystal salt. It makes everything fancy because that's how we do it. I don't know. I don't know. We'll just hit it with some salt. Just a little bit of salt there. Bring out the flavors. Pow! Then we'll grind some pepper on there. And then we'll slap our lemons on top. And then you can't forget the dill. Get a couple sprigs of that. We'll just kind of make it look all fancy because that's all it ever does. It just looks fancy. Okay, there you go. Cedar plank trout. Fresh trout, that is. That thing was caught not too long ago, and what a fight it was. That was so much fun. All right, so we're going to stick it on the grill. Like I said, we've got the grill on indirect. We're up to around little under 300 degrees right now. So we're just going to set it right in the middle. Now I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of this lemon on top too. All right, we'll close it up and we'll continue to monitor that until we get to the proper doneness. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Woo! All right, we're up to temp. We're gonna pull it off, and actually I'm gonna put the other one on too. Let's pull that puppy off of there. And then we'll give it a try. Woohoo! Yeah, look at that. All right. I'm gonna throw that other one on real quick. Get that cooking. Don't want it to go to waste, you know. A little more lemon. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute, and then we're gonna slice and dice and take a bite. I'm excited to try this, I really am. Catch my own fish and cook it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, she's ready. Cool it down. We're gonna give her a go. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Don't smell too bad. Oh, wow, that's pretty good. Take another bite. Oh yeah. There's so much different flavors in there. You got the lemon, you got the dill. It tastes like the lake, okay? To be true, to be honest with you, it tastes like the lake a little bit. I don't know. I don't know.
It's disgusting.
It's really, I mean, I can't taste anything else but the lake. That's it. That's it. Maybe I gotta smoke it next time. All right, there you go. I don't know. I'm not really a fish guy. This is really my first time ever trying this, but it sure was fun. I really do like catching them. And I think next time I'll try a different recipe. Maybe I'll smoke it up or something like that. I know there's other ways of preparing these fish. And if you guys could just comment down below and let me know how to do it, what you guys do to kind of to extinguish some of that lake taste or whatever, that too fishy of a taste. Let me know what you guys do. I sure would like to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Give me a thumbs up. Toss me one of those. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that bell button so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. And I will see you guys on the next video. Baum Grillin'z out!